Need to know how to build a PowerPoint presentation that looks its very best? Pressed for time and in need of some help? PowerPoint templates are right for you. In moments, you can transform a pre-built layout into an amazing slide deck that works for you. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to edit PPT slide templates quickly. When you think about how to edit PowerPoint slides, don't go it alone. The best way to get started is with a premium PowerPoint edit template. And the best place to find those templates is Envato Elements. Elements is the best resource for creatives today, and for good reason. The offer is unmatched, unlimited downloads. For a flat monthly rate, you can download as many stunning PowerPoint templates as you want. Each of these is designed by a creative expert with you in mind. As you can see, these templates span an array of topics and styles. And that's not all. Elements includes other assets, like stock photos, fonts, audio, and more. All of those can be used in your presentations too. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Hero V1 template from Envato Elements. I have it downloaded here and it's opened up in PowerPoint. As you can see, this template includes an array of custom slides. We're going to work on a few of them here to show off how to edit PPT slide templates. Let's start with slide 12 here in the deck. You can see it's styled as a product features slide. Notice these boxes here are full of text, but it's simply a placeholder. What you need to do here is swap out this text with words of your own. To do that, click into a text box and select the contents as you're seeing me do here. Then start typing over the selected words. You'll see your own content appearing. Repeat this same step across this and other slides, selecting and replacing text with your own words. Flashing forward, you'll see the result on this slide here. It's a good time to revisit our Envato Elements offer. Elements includes a vast array of thousands of custom fonts. These are unlimited too. Download as many as you want as an Elements subscriber. They look and work great in your PowerPoint presentations. Now let's jump to another slide. Words are great and they work well on a slide like the one we just customized. But sometimes you need something more. Think of illustrations as you imagine how to edit PPT slides quickly. On this slide, you'll see the illustration over on the left. The human figure helps bring your slide design to life. You can customize how it looks by clicking on part of it, then going up to the Shape Format menu. That's on the ribbon up here at the top. From there, launch the Shape Fill dropdown. You'll see some color choices and you can pick one off of a thumbnail. Watch as PowerPoint transforms the shape. This is how to edit PowerPoint slides to look their best for you. Now, you can customize these data bars by pulling on them just like this. And don't forget to add some custom text. Flashing forward once again, you'll see the slide transformed into something new and different. Up next, let's explore another slide. This one is great for showing off your global presence. As you can see, it's a map of the world. I've gone ahead and filled in some supporting text over on the slide. That's done just like we did a moment ago, by clicking into text boxes and replacing their contents. To adjust this map, I'll click and drag to move the labels, lines, and markers to new locations. Watch as they move around the map slide. You can connect new dots, then add supporting details to add context to your map. This takes the pre-built map and adapts it perfectly to unique needs. Let's look at one final slide here. Notice this one has these boxes in the middle. They're called image placeholders and they let you add your own illustrations or images to PowerPoint in a breeze. All you need to do is browse to an image file stored on your computer. Then click and drag it over the image placeholder. Watch here as PowerPoint imports the image. It places it right inside the placeholder, already sized and scaled perfectly. A multi-image slide like this is easy to edit in PPT, all thanks to these placeholders. Now imagine that you want to add something like a logo to every slide in the deck. Let's come up to the View tab on PowerPoint's ribbon. Choose Slide Master and look in the sidebar on the left. Slide 1 is blank and all other slides are indented below it. That means that Slide 1 is the master. I'll drag a logo onto the screen here and put it into place. By placing an object on a master slide, it appears on all slides below the master. When you close the master and scroll, you'll see the logo on every slide now. You can see how to edit PowerPoint slides quickly. Swap out placeholder text, then drop in your own images. Be sure to customize cool graphics like charts and maps as you work. Plus, you can turn to master slides to make bulk edits easy. That's all thanks to premium templates from Envato Elements. One flat rate, unlimited downloads. Browse the vast template collection and join today. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then go ahead and subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There, you're going to find helpful tutorials like this, along with content roundups and so much more. You can't afford to miss it. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for joining me.